Guys, today I'm looking at some budget earbuds with a surprisingly nice sound, and they're coming right up. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seeds for a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, there are a ton of earbuds flooding the market, and with so much choice it's getting more and more difficult to make a choice on what to buy. Whether you want noise cancelling, high res, premium, or even a combination of all of the above, there's definitely something out there for all of us. So when Famoo reached out to me and asked me to take a look at these BX25 wireless earbuds, which claim some great features at an incredibly low price of less than £25, I was rather intrigued. Now, before we get into it, as I said, Famoo sent me these BX25 wireless earbuds to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And if you follow my channel, you'll know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's take a quick look at what we've got in the box. Now guys, first off, as soon as we open up the packaging, we have the charging case, and after lifting that out, we have the usual instructions. We have another small box that contains the USB-C charging cable, so that's quite a nice touch to see a USB-C charging capability on a budget set of earbuds. And guys, we have some replaceable silicone ear tips, which are also sized to suit. Now guys, taking the charging case out, and I can tell you now, it's pretty light. It's a bit on the larger size compared to like an AirPods Pro case or something like that, but it's pretty light. Now, this one is kind of sparkly grey, which I kind of like. It's I'm not sure if you can see that on camera, but you know what? It's pretty nice. Open the case up, and you can see the LED display showing the battery level of the case. Now, taking the buds out, and they kind of resemble AirPod Pros. In fact, due to the slightly longer stems, they're more like the AirPod 3rd generations. You can also see here the case size in comparison to the AirPods case. Now guys, as always, the main event is to kind of see how these sound. So pairing them up was pretty standard. Once paired up, you can access all of the touch controls for skipping tracks, play, pause, volume adjustment, and activating your phone's voice assistant. The controls are pretty responsive, but as with all of these buds, you kind of need to have a good memory to remember them all. Now, the sound quality wasn't bad. I listened to a bunch of different tracks, and all I would say is they are quite bright sounding, which I don't actually mind. If you're looking for earth-shattering bass, then these are not for you. But for $24.99, they're not bad. I also made some phone calls, and all the calls were crystal clear, obviously helped by that CVC 8.0 and the ENC capabilities. Now guys, these earbuds also have large graphene drivers at 13.4mm. Now, it's not unusual for non-ANC earbuds to have larger drivers, so they can pump out more sound to compensate for not having any ANC. These BX25s are also IPX8 waterproof and sweatproof. You get 35 hours of playtime with a fast charging Type-C interface, and these Bluetooth earbuds are Bluetooth 5.3, so they give you better transmission rate by about 50%, I believe. And guys, these can fully be charged in about 1.5 hours and have a playtime of about 5 hours on a single charge. So that means the charging case can provide 7 full charges, and that's not bad. And like I said, guys, that Bluetooth 5.3 improves transmission efficiency by 50%. So guys, there you have it. For a budget price, these BX25 earbuds from Famoo are not bad at all. Guys, I will leave any product links and any further discounts in the description. If you've got any comments or questions, please let me know in the comments section below. And if you like the video, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon to be notified of new videos. Guys, thanks for watching, and thanks to Famoo for sending me these cool earbuds to review. Guys, I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.